ELIP is founded in the year 1993 and we are a 20-year-old organization. It's inaugurated by Vijay Bhaskar Reddy Garu, then Honorable Chief Minister of Government of Andhra Pradesh on December 18th, 1993. Aim of ELIP is to support women to be economically independent and guide them in converting their ideas into business. As we already explained to you regarding Center for Entrepreneurship Development, started in the year 1997. It's inaugurated by His Excellency Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, then President of India. Our aim is to motivate, train and research and handhold. We organize a lot of programs. I don't want to explain in depth because already we have shown you the fill-in. Our first idea took place like we wanted to start our own women industrial parks. First women industrial estate at Gajul Ramaram, Hyderabad, and the foundation stone was laid by then Chief Minister Sri N. Chandrababu Naidu on 25th July 2000. It's a one's first step towards promotion of women entrepreneurship. Then after the success of the first industrial estate, we have started our second industrial estate at Vijayawada, which was inaugurated by Dr. Y.S. Rajsekhar Reddy Garu, the then Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, which is now functioning with 70 industries. Mostly ELIP was concentrating on areas where there is a lot of gaps, like in the system. We are also started our own ELIP Credit Guarantee Association. It's the Section 25 Company Act. All of us know that we find difficulties in accessing credit. So to overcome this problem of credit facility, we have entered MOU with most of the banks, and we have been well recognized by nationalized banks, and our members never felt the difficulty of accessing finance without collateral security. And our ideas need to be generated. So we have developed a facilitator business development cell, where the young entrepreneurs are given thorough information on what to do, how to do, and how to go about it. To facilitate women who require information, counseling and motivation and mentoring has been taken up from Facilitator Business Development Cell, what we call it as FAB. Taking into consideration the activity of women entrepreneurs, gaps are lot of demand is there for marketing support. We have inaugurated Vipani, a marketing wing of ELIP, which connects manufacturer to the consumers. Like we also tied up with big giants like Bharati, Walmart, Reliance, and we also organize various vendor development programs under Vipani. This facilitates marketing for our women entrepreneurs. We have our own international desk where we try to enter memorandum of understanding with international organizations. We have also organized a South Africa trade mission through our international desk, and we also organized a B2B with South African women entrepreneurs. International scenario, we are very much recognized by countries like Sri Lanka, Maldives for a training purpose, and many of our trainers have gone there and trained plantation workers in Sri Lanka for herbal and fashion designing. And in Maldives, we have done MOU with Government of Maldives and trained women in fashion designing and jute products. We also acknowledge the recognition of EU-India network. We have been recognized for providing a grant under EU Commission, where we have trained around 20 entrepreneurs in food processing and garments, and an exposure visit to Germany was arranged for them. Our objective is to promote industrial activity with sustainable development and capacity building of SAARC and SADC and Business Women Association under this CHANCE project. It was a 5 years project. That's the way we have got associated with GIZ in our various programs. And we have been considered as a best practice for building up business women associations. We also entered an MOU with VDU of Germany. A memorandum of understanding on 28th February 2012 was signed with a German organization, women organization called VDU. We find a lot of difficulties, like there is a threat in global warming by using fossil energy. This is the need for decentralized energy supply. Therefore, cooperation from German know-how regarding modern product and production should be used to enable the development of renewable energy equipment in India. We want to be part of this. We women can take up a lot of renewable energy projects, which can be a breakthrough for our demand. And also, when we talk about environmental issues, sir, we want to be a part of air pollution control mechanism and also noise mitigation and recycling of waste and treatment of water. We want to become, we women can take up a lot of activity in these areas. We need your support. Coming to the finance aspect, sir, paying 14.5% rate of interest and accessing technology is one thing very difficult for women entrepreneurs. We request support from Government of Andhra Pradesh and German Embassy with regards to accessing funds from KFW, which is prepared to give this kind of funding for our green industrial parks. We hope you put up your good offices in such a way that we take advantage of this development bank.